Business disruptions rarely begin as major crises: a system outage, a supplier failure, a cloud service interruption. The real challenge isn't the incident itself, it's understanding what happens next. Which business functions are affected? How quickly does the impact spread? And what must recover first to keep the business running? Without clear answers, continuity planning becomes guesswork. Business impact analysis transforms uncertainty into clarity. Briskinfosec helps organizations identify critical business processes, understand operational dependencies, assess disruption impacts, and establish recovery priorities that support resilience. We identify critical processes, assess disruption impacts, and define recovery priorities. Then, we uncover hidden dependencies and deliver a business impact analysis report with a clear roadmap for resilience. The result is a clear understanding of what matters most, what can wait, and what must never fail. Let's show you how on a quick call. Reach out today.